Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and I'm standing in front of the coolest 57 Chevy on the planet. This baby's got a big block, she's got dual fours, she's got flames, she's got custom interior, she's been back halved. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can check out all the workmanship on the bottom side. Then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that big block Chevy. Then we're gonna look at the interior. We'll show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your 57 investment. So come on up and we're gonna fire this beast up. Check this beauty out, man. All the chrome is popping. It is all brand new. Now these flames are iridescent and they're like changing from green to purple. Beautiful. They're all pinstriped and they're buried in that clear. I cannot feel them at all. All the chrome looks great. Look at those polished up carburetors. Great looking wheels and tires. Those are Kois. The side trim looks good. And those flames, as I walk down, they're changing from green to purple. Man, are they cool. And take a look at these door jambs. Man, is she beautiful. What a gorgeous job they did building this car. Now the trunk popper's right here. Straight as an arrow, this black paint job. Chrome on the back is beautiful. Trunk is all customized. Now the tank has been moved to here. Batteries underneath the cover here. And then in the old gas fill spot is your shutoff for the batteries. So they've used that spot well. Now look down the side of this beauty. Look how nice and straight she is. Everybody that knows black cars, you better be a good body man. Look at that roof. That looks like a big black mirror that's been draped over the top. Beautiful door jambs here. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are not consignment dealers. We are the largest muscle car dealership in the United States that owns all of its inventory. We have over 185 cars in stock and we bring in about 40 new ones every month. Now, if you want to check one of them out, go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can check out any of these cars there. Now, when they come back to our shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions when you call at 248-974-9513. Now, let's take a look at the custom interior. Look at that door panel, all customized. It says Bel Air down in there. Beautiful. The flooring all looks great. We got one little wear spot in the flooring here and one little wear spot in the seat there. Other than that, the interior is beautiful. The roll bar's been all covered. Headliner looks fantastic. All the chrome on the interior is beautiful. She's got aftermarket gauges mounted right into the stock locations. Great looking steering column. And when you see us driving this, she is a beast. All right, now that you've had a quick look at the car, if you want to go straight to our website and check out about 180 other cars, hit the top button. If you'd like to watch an About Us video, hit the middle button. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bottom button. Now let's get back out there and check out that car. Let's take his 57 Chev for a ride. This is a badass machine. She's a 57 Chev. She's got a big block under the hood. She's got dual fours. She's got flames on her. She's painted black, and it's back halved. There don't get any better than this as far as the hot rod world. This is beautiful, and she drives great. Now she's got a manual valve body, and it's a reverse valve body, so you start out in the drive position down here, and then just as you shift, just pull back on the shifter. Now down here on the dash, you can see it's got aftermarket gauges stuck in all the factory holes. What a great job they did. And then it's got all the other gauges you need here in the center console. There's that shifter I was telling you about. Real easy to operate. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are shipping experts. We can ship this 57 Chev anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Just that easy to shift. Now, if you see anything on the car that you'd like a little different, just give Tom a call. We've got mechanics on staff. We might be able to do it for you. Just ask him. Also, our shop's only 20 minutes from the airport here in Detroit. So if you want to come in and check this car out or one of our other 185 cars we have in stock, and don't forget, we own all of our cars. Just give us a call, let us know you're coming. Heck, we'll come down to the airport and pick you up. Now let's see what this thing will do. You know, that was about that much on the accelerator, and I'm holding my fingers up about a half an inch. The brakes are stopping it great. This is a maniac. Call Tom anytime. He would love to tell you all about this beautiful car. Now here's our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now stick around because we're going to show you the best part. We're going to get this baby up in the air so you can check out the underside, and then we'll take a look under the hood there at those dual fours and a big block. All right, we're underneath this 57 Chevy. Beautiful under here. She is nicely painted. It's got a custom frame, of course, because it's been back halved. Chrome on the bumper is beautiful. The chrome on the rear end housing is beautiful. The chrome on the springs is gorgeous. The chrome on the ladder bars is gorgeous. Man, it is sharp. We've got Willwood disc brakes back here, and they've painted them body color. Let's see, we got about a 410 rear end in this 9-inch, and it is posi, of course. Ladder bar suspension, I think I already told you that. We got our, looks like fuel filter mounted in here, high pressure hose. And take a look at the exhaust system. Beautiful. That is 4-inch, guys, and all chromed up. The drive shaft is painted body color. Now this is where the stock 57 Chev frame comes in. It's all painted up and beautiful. All the body mounts look good. The back sides of the rockers look good. The floorboards are painted body color. There's that heavy duty turbo 400 trans putting the power to the ground. Big tube headers here. Okay, front suspension all chromed up. Tubular lower control arms, tubular upper control arms. All the steering gear is chromed. We do have disc brakes up front also. There's that stroker motor up front also. Aluminum radiator I can see, cross members all painted, front bumpers new. This car's amazing. I tell you what, take this car to any show you want, put mirrors underneath it, and you're gonna win some awards. She is magnificent. Let's look at the wheels and tires. Check out these wheels. These are Koi's, and we've got some Mickey Thompson tires. They're 26 by 8 by 18s up front. And again, man, the flame work right down into the wheel well there. It's beautiful. And that whole wheel well's all nice and clean and painted body color. Rockers look good. Flames look awesome. Let's see those fatties on the back. All right, we got some sticky Mickeys back here. We got 31 18 by 20s. That side pipe looks fantastic, and again, chrome all the way out. And talk about deep dish Koi's, that's like 1.5 miles in there, and all the reflections are cool. Bottom lip here, the quarter looks good. That paint is beautiful. This is just a gorgeous car. Well, let's get under the hood and see what's making these babies smoke up. Check this beast out under the hood. 565 cubic inches. That's a board and stroke big block Chevy. She's got Brodex aluminum heads on her, polished up tunnel ram intake, polished up dual 4 barrels here. Those are Hollies. Polished up alternator, polished up water pump. The whole front area here is all polished aluminum radiator. Beautiful inner fenders here. It looks like the guys left a rag in here when they were polishing. There's a lot of stuff to polish under here. We've got a polished up valve covers, great looking plumbing here going to those dual 4s. MSD ignition fire in it. We've got a Hydro Boost setup. Now that is new technology right there, guys. That's on the new cars. It's got a, looks like an aftermarket steering box there. So we do have power steering. We've got a late model power steering pump on it also. You can see this front suspension here is all tubular and all chromed up. Just beautiful under the hood. Even the hood hinges are chromed up. She's gorgeous, guys. She's fast. Previous owner tells us 745 horsepower. And when you saw us out in the parking lot doing burnouts in it, there's no doubt she's all of that, boy. She might even be better than that. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway. All right, we've made it really easy for you. Click on any one of these 5 pictures here and it'll take you right to whatever you're interested in. We're gonna give you about 30 seconds here to click these pictures. If you need more time, just go back in the video and click that picture.